Hello all. Which piece of code will run fast? Now we have two pieces of code here, on the left hand side piece A and right hand side piece B. Please observe the difference between these two pieces of codes. You can pause the video and think for 2 minutes. And if you observe, the difference is how they have accessed AFIJ and AFJ. The array elements AFIJ and AFJI has been accessed in these two different ways. Does this difference matters? Since number of rows equal to number of columns, that is n into n times you are going to assign zeros, does this difference really matters? No difference in output. The same logical operation assigning zeros will be happened for n into n times in these locations, n by n locations in the array A. And the way the address is calculated will be different. A of ij will be base address A plus I into n plus j, and A of ji will be base address A plus j into n plus I. Now, in the first piece of code, I is constant in the inner loop, so I into n will be same for each loop, for each inner loop. So only n times it is enough to calculate I into n. Whereas j into n has to be calculated n into n times, since j is a variable in the inner loop, but I into n needs to be calculated only for n times. So this is the difference between the two pieces of codes. Hence, the piece A will run faster compared to piece B. Piece A will run 3 times faster. We observed that piece A is running 3 times faster in the experiment. Then, still better code is possible, where you can go for a single dimensional array which is pointed using a pointer p holding the base address of the array A, and the number of elements is n into n elements, is calculated and stored in a temporary variable, and now the for loop, which is controlled by the variable I, is run from 0 to n into n minus 1 using the temporary variable t, and star p will point to A of ij. Plus plus is the point arithmetic, and it will locate the next element of the array. So 0 to n into n minus 1 elements has been assigned as 0. So totally n into n elements is assigned with 0 multiplications and only n square additions. This will be the better code compared to piece A and piece B. Thank you.